The Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet is expected to be released on the 28th of February 2022. Let's talk about the specification. The Legion Y700 is powered by Snapdragon 870 processor. Lenovo Legion Y700 comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage that can be expanded via micro SD card up to 1 TB, and boots into ZUI 13 based on Android 11. The display is sized 8.8-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels. With a 2K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The panel also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10. This tablet is coming with 6550 mAh large battery, which can run latest games for about 6 hours continuously, and it supports 45-watt fast charging. Another major highlight feature is its X-axis linear motor for haptics. The USB support is a 3.1 Gen 2. As well as the cameras are concerned, the Lenovo Legion Y700 on the rear packs 13-megapixel camera. It sports an 8-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. It was launched in blue and beige colors. Connectivity options on the Lenovo Legion Y700 include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB OTG. What do you think about this tablet? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.